Hey guys, so I'm making this video for you out there who got the problem with the AOC monitor black screen issue. So I was looking on Reddit and there are so many posts of people reporting that they have the issue, they couldn't find the solution for it, and I completely get it. So yes, with the trying to updating the graphics driver, resetting the monitor with the software, unplugging like the plugging power cable. These are just the simple things that you can try to do. Maybe it's going to work out. But then I just found this one comment, and I'm just going to share it with you. This guy just wrote it there. If you have Ryzen CPU, just spam the buttons on the bottom right of the monitor. There is a CPU master driver conflict with this monitor, because twice in a row it worked for me spamming those buttons. So spam the buttons on the bottom right of the monitor. So here are the buttons of the bottom right, and what you want to do, just try to just spam them, just click them, a lot of them, just like furiously. Maybe it's going to work out. I hope it does, because I really like when people can get help and solve their issues. So just gonna press, everything press, just spam it. And maybe it's going to fix the issue. So I hope it does for you, because this comment is really good and it helped him. So hope it's going to help also you. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.